In the last few months, I've analyzed the LinkedIn profiles and the content of more than 350 people. Here's what I found in the analysis. Finding number 1, incomplete LinkedIn profiles. Now, a LinkedIn profile forms the base of your personal brand on LinkedIn, and almost 60% of the profiles I analyzed were incomplete. What does that mean? It means that vital sections like profile headline, about section summary, and work experience details were either lacking the relevant content or relevant keywords or facts stating the credentials in the work they've done or the services that they provide. If you are also missing out on these basics, then you're eventually missing out on visibility and discoverability on LinkedIn, because professionals are constantly looking out for professionals like you on LinkedIn. And having that complete LinkedIn profile creates that solid first impression. Now, coming to finding number 2, which is lack of content. Now, 75% of the people lack consistency in coming up with content and having a content strategy. And finally, finding number 3 is lack of branding. Now, when I say branding, I'm talking about brand colors, your writing style, and your voice or the kind of messaging that you do. Having a consistent brand color, a writing style, and voice will help you set yourself apart from others and also help you build a brand identity. This identity building eventually helps you build a solid personal brand. So here's where you can start. So focus on having a solid headline, an about section summary, and work experience details. Then put a professional profile picture and banner for visuals. Once you get this right, then start focusing on a content strategy and other branding elements. So the question is, are you starting now?